Good morning mga kalya! Today, pumunta kami sa isang napakagandang place that is called Admiral's Farm Park. Ayan o, as you can see, Admiral's Farm Park. Dito pala yung babaan. Tapos, dito sa papasok na kalsada, dito yung papasukan. Not the right side, pero yung left side na kalsada. Okay? So, it's so exciting. Sinundan lang namin yung kalsada na yan. Medyo mahaba-habang lakaran, mga 10 minutes, depende sa bilis ng paglalakad. Kung mabagal, more than 10 minutes. So, ayan. Pagdating namin, pumunta kami sa registration area. Siyempre, nag-register kami. O, yan, nandyan yung price. Okay? And then, diretso na kami sa entrance going to the trail. Because we would like to enjoy, kaagad-agad, yung kanilang eco trail. So, we will share kung gaano kasaya ang aming experience when we went there. At kung gaano kaganda yung place, we will share as well sa video na ito. So, come with us! Ayan, so nag-picture-picture agad ang aking magandang kapatid sa isa kanilang Instagrammable bridge. Meron silang light. I wonder how it looks like sa gabi. Pero sa umaga kami pumunta. So, we will try next time kung pwede pumunta sa gabi. Pero sabi nung babae dun sa entrance, hanggang 5 p.m. lang daw sila. So, from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Ibig sabihin, hindi ito open sa gabi. Pero hopefully, in the future, magiging open siya sa gabi. Also, aside from the Instagrammable na bridge, meron din sila mga Instagrammable na paintings. Di ko alam kung sino gumawa niyan. Pero, it looks like isa siyang napakagandang artist. Or sila. Or marami sila. Ayan, napakagaling na artist ang gumawa. Because it's so beautiful na namamatch na yung ganda nung nature sa harapan niya. And then, pag tumalikod ka, nakikita mo naman yung ganda ng kailang mga paintings sa likuran ng mga nature. Ayan. So, this is called Admiral's Farm Park. For whatever reason, it looks like a park. It looks like a farm as well. Pero walang masyadong mga tanim. Yon. Pero I still like it. Kahit walang masyadong mga tanim because ang importante dito is yung trail, yung eco trail niya mismo. And we really loved it. Papakita namin sa inyo kung gaano ka-challenging and at the same time kung gaano kaganda. Hoping na you can go there someday as well. Ayan! Nandiyan na tayo sa nandito na tayo sa nature part niya. And it's so calm. It's so sunny as well. Kaya na-enhance yung mga kulay ng mga leaves, ng mga trees. And it's so peaceful to look at. And also, ang sarap ng huni talaga na marinig nyo doon. You can hear crickets, you can hear birds, you can hear water. I'm not sure kung saan nanggaling yung water though. Pero, you can also hear yung hangin talaga na dumadaan sa leaves ng mga kahoy, sa leaves ng mga halaman. Ayan. It's really just peaceful. Kasi when we check our phones, wala ding signal ng Smart and Globe. So, makakapag-detach from the social media ka talaga because wala ka talagang mag-chat or wala ka mapapanood even if you have data with your phone or with the laptop or anything na gadget na meron ka, wala pong signal dito sa bandang ito. I'm not sure dun sa other parts, sa higher parts, baka meron, pero in this part, dito ko lang chinek yung phone ko, wala pong signal. So, wala, relax lang talaga ako. Relax lang talaga ang utak ko. Ayun, and also, syempre, napagod kami because aside from the beauty of this nature, challenging talaga yung trail. It's so very challenging. will see. So, just please stay with us a bit. And you will see more. Tara! This way. Okay. So, makikita nyo as you progress sa trail, makikita nyo may mga tree house sa daan, tapos meron din mga tali, tapos meron din mga directions, sasabi this way, tapos meron din mga quotes, life quotes. Hindi ko alam kung sinong mga nagbigay ng mga yon, but it's definitely wise. Ayan, yung mga quotes na nakita namin, wise po sila. Along the trail, I hope you go there prepared. Pag pumunta kayo, along the trail po pala maraming mosquitoes, even up to this uphill area. Oo. Pagka tumayo ka bigla or tumayo ka a little bit, just to watch the view, kasi yung likod nitong uphill na trail, yung harap nito I should say, is a very beautiful nature. Ayan, pinapakita ko dyan. Oh, if you check, yung tinuturo ng mga kamay ko dyan when I was walking up pataas dyan, is yung magandang view habang paakyat ka ng paakyat dun sa uphill na trail na yan. O, ayan. Ayan. It's so serene, lalo na on that day when we went there, kasi it's sunny day. Thank God hindi umuulan, kaya napakaganda talaga. But as I've said, marami pong mga lamok, so please bring na lang ang inyong mga anti-mosquito lotion, whatever you call it, basta yung mga pang against mosquito, or magdamit ng maayos, nang covered ang katawan so that hindi kayo papakin ng mga lamok. Ayan. Ang isa pang meron nakita namin dyan is a very magnificent tree house. Super ganda. Mamaya, akitin namin para sa inyo. Ayan, nauna na pala ako. Inakyat ko na. So, it's so challenging din na umakyat dyan, lalo na sa akin na medyo chubby. Actually, chubby. Medyo mahirap, pero it's so breathtaking dun sa taas. It's so fulfilling as well, lalo na pag sinalubong ka ng hangin dun sa taas. Malakas yung hangin pag nasa taas ka na. So, hope you enjoy when you go there. I hope you go there. Also, after ng tree house na ito, marami pong mga activities that you will see. Maraming mga activities na pwedeng gawin, such as walking ng patihaya, ganyan, walking ng patagilid, or whatever you wanna do. So, marami pong magagandang activities na pwedeng gawin dyan as you advance sa inyong walking after the tree house na yan. And how did we go there? The best way is to ride a cab from wherever you are. From Baguio man yan, or from La Trinidad, from Strawberry Farm, or from Session Road, or from SM, ganyan. The best way is to ride a cab. Dahil kung marami naman kayo, mga 4 kayo, maganda yan. But, if you wanna try jeep, meron din naman daw sa center. Ayan, yung papuntang Irisan via Lantang Road. Yun yung jeep na pwedeng sakyan. So, as you can see dun sa video, meron din mga picnic sheds. So, kung napagod kayo sa pag-akyat, na-challenge kayo sa mga nilakaran nyo, you can also sit down there if may baon kayo, like chips or bread or crackers. You can sit down, drink your water, chit-chat muna, ganyan. Walang bayad yung shed so far. Or kung di pa rin kayo napagod, kulang pa rin yung pagod nyo, you can also do yung mga activities na ganyan. Maglakad ng patagilid, maglakad ng patihaya, mga ganyan, kung ano-anong pwedeng gawin. Another way to go there is to visit yung website ng Admirals Farm Park. Kasi meron doon numbers na pwede nyo i-text. Meron din messenger na pwede nyo i-chat. You can reserve yung kanilang shuttle. Ang kanilang shuttle nga lang will only pick up from Pugis Elementary School or Gisad Elementary School. So, you can reserve them kung malapit lang kayo sa Pugis Elementary School or Gisad Elementary School, pwedeng yun na lang ang sakyan nyo. If you are just 2 to 4 packs, ang bayad is 200 pesos one way. But if you're like 10 to 12 packs, ang bayad po is 350 pesos one way. Yun. So, I think that's much cheaper than cab. Lalo na kung marami naman kayo. But if you're like 2 to 4 packs, pares lang yun sa cab. Actually, ang cab fare namin, galing kaming Pico, malapit sa Pugis Elementary School, ang cab fare lang namin is 120. Ayun. So, mas mura actually ang cab if you take a cab. Pero, kung mas marami kayo, mas mura yung shuttle nila. Wala pong jeep na manggagaling sila Trinidad, so it's better if you ride a cab. Ayun. So, mga ganyan yung mga nakikita nyo na ginawa namin. Mga ganyan so far yung mga challenging activities that you can do when you are there. Pero kung ayaw nyo naman ng mga activities, you can just bask in the midst of the nature, gaya ng sabi ng aking kapatid. So, sometimes there's fog as well. You can just enjoy yung fog na nagigis sa inyong mga mukha. Or just, wala lang, upo lang, maglakad lang, it's up to you. Yun lang po ang aming description sa Admirals Farm Park. Pero aside from that, meron din sila actually kids-friendly na facilities. Medyo maliit lang, pero meron sila kids playground where you can bring your kids. Kaya na nga dyan, pinapakita namin. You can bring your kids, pwede sila mag-bike dyan, pwede sila maglaro dyan. Kids is for 80 pesos only. Ayan. Also, meron silang cafe. So that's what we're gonna do. We'll also go to their cafe and have snack. So, yun lang for today's video. Next time ulit. Bye!